on the road again. We're headed over to the Washington County landfill on a beautiful Monday morning. No better time to have a fresh start. So we're going to take this old 1977 Winnebago motorhome over there, drop it off. Been going through town. I've had all kinds of lustful eyes checking out this motorhome, wishing they had it in their fleet. This old road warrior has seen its last trip. They're gonna run over the top of it with a big old dozer, and that'll be the end of it. So we'll get out there and hopefully get it off the trailer with no big hassle, and we'll take you along for the ride. All right, well, she let us through. She said we can go get rid of the old girl, so it was a fun trip over, nice and slow. Make sure we didn't rip that thing to a million pieces on our way. So we're just gonna work up here and get up ramp 1 and see what they got going on. You know, I just wish that you guys could smell it. That is the best part about coming to the landfill, is you get to smell it for a week, because it makes your truck stink and it makes your clothes stink, and it must ruin your nose holes because it just pretty much stinks. So we'll get up here and get her offloaded and get out of here as quick as we can. Man, this is like climbing a mountain. This baby's gotten taller over the years. Every year I come out here, it gets taller and taller and taller. It's got a lot of garbage in it. Oh, the smell. I'm telling you, the smell up here is something to be desired. We were just going to drag it off, but we decided we better do it the responsible way. See ya. Glad you're filming, I'm just videoing. I didn't even get any of that.
Really?
I took a picture. You done?
One more time, I guess.
Gonna roll it over again. Okay, let's go. We'll get down to the gate and get it paid for, but this is a pretty busy place in Washington County. There's trucks coming and going, so we had to hustle right along and get out of the way. So thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, I'm so glad to leave that all behind. Get down here and get my nose holes washed out with some hydrogen peroxide.